So I've been wanting to make a pizza oven for a while now, and just thought I'd go ahead and give it a crack. So what I'm using is a Pilates ball, pumped up. I've cut a hole in this piece of wood here, just to hold it in place. Just did that with the jigsaw. And yeah, this part here I'm going to use as a tunnel. Hopefully it's high enough. I may prop it up on something. We'll see. And also I've got these weights underneath holding the ball up. And as you can see, also I've got two pieces of wood here. Because I didn't have a piece big enough, so I've done it in two parts. So hopefully that should be sweet though. It's just to really hold it in place. Also taping up and adding like a bit of cardboard where there's some gaps in the wood. So I'll fill these parts up here. And should be sweet. It's going to be fairly dry, so the mix, not really sure. Probably going to use pumice. I can get it crushed at my local hardware store for like, I think it's $8 for 15 litre bag. So obviously you want to do this hole a bit smaller than the diameter of the ball. Just going to carry on now, and we're going to put some more cardboard around the gaps here, just duct taping it on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for part one. Just started doing the tunnel today. Just wanted to make sure that it was going to hold up, and it seemed sweet. So yeah, and I just put a pipe in there for the chimney. Probably take that out now. Yep. And when I cast the chimney, I'll put that back in, and I'll put something bigger around it. But yeah, this is about an inch thick probably. Probably need to go over some other parts. Pretty sure you can just add to it. I'm going to do it over like a few days. Probably don't have enough pumice, well I don't. I've only got one bag. But I'll get what I can done. It's not going to be the biggest pizza oven, but should be good just to make sure, you know, make sure it's going to work. 5 parts pumice, 1 part cement is what I'm using. Coarse pumice. I'll go over it with fine pumice at the end to make it nice and smooth. But yeah, that's it for part 1. And cheers for watching.